day 2 of training. Little Miss Know-It-All and just keeps on going with, I know this, I know that. Not today. I'm gonna put her to the test.
So today's my second day on the job. I think I'm doing pretty good so far, but I don't know how this guy over here is feeling about it.
Okay, let's get started. Pop quiz hotshot, you ready?
I'm ready. Hit me with it.
What's the difference between a Turbolytic 50 and the Turbolytic Jr?
So the Turbolytic 50 and Turbolytic Jr are both used as universal replacement motor start capacitors. The only difference between the Jr and the 50 is that the Jr is a more compact version than the 50 is. The Turbolytic Jr offers up to 227 microfarads, while the Turbolytic 50 offers up to 324 microfarads. Also, these have a 5-year warranty on these capacitors, and they replace up to 85% of the other start caps.
Wow, you really do know your stuff. Yep, we're gonna get along just fine.
Thanks, I really appreciate it. I'm hoping to learn more as I go, but I'm pretty excited.
So how's it going with the Apprentice?
She's doing pretty good. Knows a lot, been studying. I think she's gonna work out okay. Alright, pop quiz hotshot. What, you ready?
I'm ready.
Alright, pop quiz hotshot. You ready? What's the difference between a Turbolytic 50 and a Turbolytic 50 Jr? Wow, I see a great future for you. Wow, I see a great future for you.
Thanks, I really appreciate it. I don't know, I can't see the capacitors as they go.
You don't need to be a show-off.